Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss main document. Today, I discuss main document. This main document is related to MS Word for class 7. For class 7, chapter number 3. Today date this main document you showed us the syllabus. This is the revision classes. So, my dear student, first of all, I discuss what is the main document. First of all, I discuss what is the main document. Main document is related to mail merge. I write down the mail merge method. The mail merge method includes taking data from one records recognized as the data source merging with a different record perceived as the main document. Mail merge, I already discussed what is the mail merge. So many students not watch the video, so not understand what is the mail merge. Mail merge method include taking data. You saw to the video. I provided to the practical session in the mail merge. So I again so another video. They have to show that how to main document attach. But so many students watch the video in practical session video. So I hope every student understand the particular sentence. The mail merge method include taking data from one record. Suppose I write down to the letter. Bidding letter to different family member. So mail merge provide the one bidding letter, the one time send is the 100, 1 to 1000 peoples, and you not write down to the again and again letters. One letter is the write down attached to the Melbourne, attached to the main document. The one time sent to the thousand family members. So data from one record recognized as the data source and merging with the different record received as the main document. The main document the main document the main document is the main document is comprised the main document is comprised of the text that does not change that does not get changed, sorry, that does not get changed, and also allow is to add the personalized data from the personalized data from the data source. The main document is comprised of the text that does not get changed, and the one time put the text and you not change again and again. So it allows you to add the personalized data. Personalized data means you add to the any such type of name, addresses, city, mobile number you change, but you write down to the one letter, and the main document is not provide they again change the any such type of the letters. One time letter is write down, but you can change it, but you can take the personalized data. Personalized data means you add phone number, you add to the family member's name, you add to the any such type of city name. They all over change it in the main document, but it does not change to the text. Text means letters or thing, the data sources, except the personalized data from the data sources. It can be email, a form letter, etc. Job interview is also attached to the main document. This is the main. Main document are documents in which you will add your data source. You will add your data source, whereas Melbourne is a process to where Melbourne is a process to create personalized data personal letter and pre-addressed mailmerge is a process to create personal letter and pre-addressed pre-addressed envelope of pre-addressed envelopes or mailing labels. Mailing labels for mass mailing from a form letter. This is to the main document. My dear student, main document are document in which which means the data sources. Data sources. The next video is related to the data sources, but short duration. Data sources is put to the data. This which type of the sources? Suppose I send to the any such type of the job interview letter. The one time the company said company sent to the 1 lakhs interview call letter. They have always time put to the letter. They always time to the write down to the letter. So 1 lakh letter sent to the every such type of candidate. So they are the lot of time. So mailmerge provide the one-time document. This main letter. This main letter is called to the main document. Main document means which letter provided. Which letter provided in the other candidate. Main document means letter. And the data sources means कि this letter sent to the different candidates. Suppose I send to the Ramesh, Suresh, Mahesh. They all type to the data sources. Mahesh, then suppose data sources. This is the letter. And suppose Mahesh, village Nawada. Phone number, the all are related to the data sources, and the all type of the letter, those letter text in this page, these all type of letter include to the involved to the main document. So I hope every student understand in the main document. Thank you so much.